Using Apple Pay in Pakistan is really easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you guys can use Apple Pay in Pakistan, so let me tell you one thing. You can do this in two ways. The first way is either you live in some other country and you are visiting Pakistan. Anyone I use your Apple Pay, so in that case it should be normal. It will work in like without any problem. Just need to use your Apple Pay with your Pakistani card. You need to own a Pakistani credit card. You will be able to add that card into your Apple Wallet, and even easy to be able to make payments using that from your iPhone. But if you are living in Pakistan and you want to have Apple Pay from Pakistan, so for that you need to spoof your phone or make your phone thing that you live SIM that you live in some other country, but you won't be the same Pakistan, so for that you need to change your region, your country. As you can see, I'm at my settings. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to search for region. Here I will go to this website. I'll go to this settings, and here as you can see I have to change my region as a United States. I need to know ingredients from the app store, and after that I might be able to add my cry to debit card into my Apple Water. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this for the helpful.